Hello, welcome to TV9 News. I'm your host Jyoti Jha and this is your one-stop destination for top trending entertainment stories. On Wednesday evening, actor Salman Khan got vaccinated for coronavirus vaccine in Mumbai's Lilavati hospital. Now, on the same day, actor Aamir Khan tested positive for COVID-19 and is currently self-isolating at home. Now, it's not just Aamir Khan who recently got positive for COVID-19, but there are also other actors like Rohit Sharaf and Kartik Aaryan who have also been affected by the virus. South star Prabhas's yet-to-be titled film with filmmaker Nag Ashwin, which also features actress Deepika Padukone and Amitabh Bachchan, will now be a pan-world film. You heard it right. The makers are planning to make it a pan-world film as it will be also released in the dubbed English language among other languages. With this strategy, Prabhas, Amitabh Bachchan and Deepika Padukone starrer will become the first pan-world movie from India. In fact, the filming is set to be starting from June or July this year. Vijayanti Movies are bankrolling the project on a budget of over 400 crore rupees. Recently, actor Alia Bhatt, Sanjay Leela Bhansali and two writers from team Gangubai Kathiawadi have been summoned by the Mumbai court regarding a criminal defamation case filed by Babu Rajvi Shah, who is said to be real-life Gangubai's son, for the film. Now, according to Shah, the film shows the family in a bad light. Gangubai Kathiawadi is based on a chapter of Hussain Zaidi's book Mafia Queens of Mumbai. Alia and Sanjay Leela have been asked to present themselves before the court on the 21st of May. Hollywood actor Scarlett Johansson's much-awaited action thriller Black Widow, a sequel to the Marvel Cinematic Universe, is all set to release on June 9th this year. Now, in fact, the film will have a simultaneous release in both theaters and online streaming service Disney Plus Hotstar. Earlier, Black Widow was supposed to release on the 7th of May this year, but now they have pushed the date to the 9th of June. Filmmaker Ram Gopal Verma recently apologized to Bollywood actor Kangana Ranaut and accepted that she is world's best actor. It was just a few weeks ago when Kangana Ranaut had compared herself to Hollywood actor Meryl Streep, for which she was brutally trolled by many, including the filmmaker. But recently, after Ram Gopal Verma watched the trailer for Thalaivi, he took to Twitter to take his words back and praise Kangana Ranaut for her amazing performance and even agreed that she is more versatile than the Hollywood legend Meryl Streep. He even said that no one is as versatile as Kangana Ranaut in this world. Adarsh Gaurav has bagged yet another award for his stellar performance in the film The White Tiger. Now, recently the actor bagged the Rising Star Award at the Asian World Film Festival for his acting, and it was just a week ago when Adarsh was also nominated in the lead actor category of BAFTA 2021 as well as the Film Independent Spirit Awards. Actor Pooja Hegde is all set to play the leading lady in South superstar Thalapathy Vijay's 65th project. Now, the yet-to-be titled film will be directed by Nelson Dilip Kumar and bankrolled by Sun Pictures. This will mark the first collaboration of the two actors. However, Pooja Hegde has already played roles opposite famous stars like Mahesh Babu, Allu Arjun, and will be also soon seen with Prabhas in Radheshyam. The makers of Power Star Pawan Kalyan starrer Vakil Saab revealed that they will be sharing this trailer for the film on the 29th of March on the occasion of Holi. Now, Vakil Saab will hit the big screen on the 9th of April this year, and it is the Telugu adaptation of Bollywood's 2016 film Pink, which stars Amitabh Bachchan and Taapsee Pannu in the lead. Now, Pawan Kalyan will be reprising the role of Amitabh Bachchan in the film. And there is definitely no stop for critically acclaimed film Nomadland. The film yet again picked up another important award season win en route to possible domination at the Oscars. The film won in the category Outstanding Producer of Theatrical Motion Pictures at the Producers Guild of America Awards on Wednesday, with producer Peter Spears accepting on behalf of the entire producing team. Now, Nomadland will also release in India from the 2nd of April. Those were the top trending entertainment stories for the day. For more such updates, like, share and subscribe to TV9 News. Thank you so much for watching.